In today's video, why would I need to hook two power supplies together to work on a testing fixture? So I have this BK Precision 9202 set to 10 volts at 4 amps, and this GW Instech GP4323 set to 12 volts at 100 milliamps. Now, the reason I've paralleled these two supplies together is because of this test fixture. I'm trying to validate its operation for production. So the way I have it programmed is it does an open circuit voltage test first. That's what this LED here is. And then it does a load test. So in order for it to go through its load test, it has to see proper open circuit voltage. Well, that is anything above 12 volts. However, I need to make sure it's pulling the right current at its low voltage, which is 10 volts. This is purely resistive. So I have to load test it as well. So how do I get to the load test if it can't pass the open circuit voltage test because this voltage is too low? I parallel two power supplies together. So if I hit the meter button, you can see the current rail voltage of the system is at 12.1 volts coming from the GW Instech power supply. So if I hit the button, it goes through the open circuit voltage test, but you see this tank to 10 volts. When it puts the load on, the output of this will tank, and this power supply will take over for the load. So if I do it again, you'll see it loaded right at 3 amps, which is where I want to be for this resistive load. And that's how I can test this test fixture, is by using two power supplies, one set to my open circuit voltage, and then one set to handle the load. Just a neat thing you can do in some electronics engineering.